Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete a YouTube Kids profile on your MacBook. So start by opening your web browser and going to the YouTube Kids website. Make sure that you're signed in using the parent Google account that's connected to the YouTube Kids profile that you want to remove. Once you're signed in, click the lock icon on the top right. Then a math problem will appear. Solve the problem and click on Submit. Find and select the kids profile that you want to delete from YouTube Kids. Then you'll need to enter the password of your Google account to edit your kid's profile. Once you're in the settings of the profile, scroll down and click Delete Profile. Review the information shown on the screen properly, then click Delete to permanently remove the profile. Your account will sign out of Google, and in case this happens, just enter your account's password to log in again. And that's how to delete a YouTube Kids profile on your MacBook. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more easy MacBook tutorials.